From a spark of innovation to national triumph, meet the team that brought glory to Academy of Technology. AOT proudly celebrates the phenomenal victory of Team Buzz 6 at the Smart India Hackathon 2023, held at Royal Global University, Guwahati, Assam. Bagging the first rank for problem statement in 1297, the team developed an AI-powered drone solution to assess large catchment areas of hydroelectric plants, winning a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh.
Hey everyone, I am Arindam, a proud member of Team Buzz 6, the first rank winner of Smart India Hackathon 2023 from Academy of Technology. Let's talking about Smart India Hackathon. It is a national level innovation challenge organized by Government of India. It's a platform where students solve real world problems given by industries and government bodies. If you are an undergraduate, postgraduate, or diploma student having innovative ideas, coding skills, and design skills, then SIH is the perfect platform for you. From first year to final year, all are eligible to be a part of a team and solving a problem to make an impact. So if you are passionate about tech, innovation, or problem skill, then SIH is the perfect stage for you. Let's code, create, and bring change together.
Hey everyone, I am Milan Adhikary, a proud member of Team by 6 and the first rank winner of SIH 2023 from Academy of Technology. We researched a lot, revised our approach multiple times and always stay open to all the feedbacks. And also time management, clear role division and constant communication kept us on track.
As the team lead of our SI journey, I can say one thing for sure that this journey shaped us in a way a classroom could never. It taught us how to handle pressure, collaborate under deadlines, and pushed us beyond the limit. We started as a group of students but delivered a solution as a team. You don't need to know everything from the start, you just need the willingness to learn, the courage to start, and the team who has the same vision as yours. So do trust the process and enjoy the journey. And I truly hope next time it's you who inspires the next batch. Thank you.